Hi CPH, this is a time for new beginnings.
2019 is just beginning.
And we have some exciting announcements about some changes happening on campus.
Starting January 2nd, we will be redefining our physical space.
Learning Center number 1 will become the home base for all of our teachers. This will be a quiet space for students to work independently and receive one-on-one support.
Our other 2 learning centers will now be used for class rotations.
This means that our teachers will be working with all of the students enrolled in the same class who are on campus at the same time.
This will provide our students with better support and opportunities to collaborate with their peers.
Students who are on PACE will still have the flexibility to work from home.
We are really excited about this new schedule.
We are excited to have our students back on January 2nd. Please join us for a school-wide assembly in the Learning Center at 9 a.m. to learn more about the improvements.
Until then, we wish you a bright and happy new year.